Hello and welcome everyone. This is Deepanshu, your host for today's session. Quickly, I just want to get a quick confirmation from all of you that will you be guys able to hear my audio and can see my screen? If yes, can I have a quick reply in the chat box? Yes or no? Guys, perfect. Thanks Omi, thanks Manvi, thanks Preeti, thanks Varka. Perfect. So thanks for the confirmation, guys. So I can see that yes, I am audible to each one of you. And anyone here who not able to see the screen or facing any challenge can let me know initially so that I can help everyone to resolve this. Perfect. Okay, guys. So I welcome each one of you to our digital marketing orientation class. Basically, this class will be helpful. Okay, my voice is little robotic. This is a very strange comment I get till now. So your video is not visible. Yes, my video is not open yet, right? Because it require or increase the bandwidth. So sometimes people don't have that much internet connection which can cater to it, right? I guess you all can see the screen and can hear me, right? That is enough. Voice can be more clear. I just want to quickly get a confirmation from other people as well. Is my voice is perfect to all of you? As Omi said that my voice is not much clear, so that I quickly can start this particular session. Perfect. Okay. So guys, again, welcome each one of you to our digital marketing orientation class. This class is basically to help you to understand what digital marketing is, how it works, what are the opportunities are there, and how you can take the maximum advantage of this industry with the help of IIM skills. So here, if I just quickly share the agenda of this particular session, that what all you guys will learn in this 1 hour demo session. So the agenda of this particular session, what I'll be covering in this, first is the introduction part, where I'll give you the introduction about me and also get your introduction, guys. Then second step is about what, why, and how of digital marketing. That how it is completely working, what are the opportunities, and why you should care about all these things in digital marketing domain. Third step is going to be your right structure to learn digital marketing. Because in your life, whatever you learn, there must be a structure to learn it effectively. If you learn it without that structure, that doesn't mean you cannot learn. You still can learn the things, but things will not be that much effective at your end, and you won't be able to get maximum output of that particular thing. So what will be the structure that can give you the maximum output in digital marketing industry? That is we gonna discuss. Fourth is how to get a jobs in freelancing opportunity in digital marketing. Then you have artificial intelligence in digital marketing, that how it is evolving, what are the opportunities. And then there will be a surprise for all of you who have joined this particular session. So stay till the end because it is going to be a very impressive surprise for all of you, which can definitely help you to go ahead and take your learnings forward. Okay, so guys, simply if I just give you the introduction part, the first point of our training, that is going to be Anuj, you are requested for recording. I cannot give you this permission, right? So at the end of this session, I'll upload this recording on IIM Skills YouTube channel. You also can check it out there, right? So there is no need to record separately. So guys, there will be like part of this particular session is going to be the introduction. So I'll be your mentor for your training program where I'm head of marketing at IIM Skills. My name is Deepanshu Jaiswal. I am into this industry from past 10 years. I am handling the marketing automation. I am handling the AI-based digital marketing at IIM Skills and also all the traditional channels, whether it is Google Ads, SEO, that I'll be looking at all these things, all the marketing activities happening here. Right, so definitely I can really guide you about what will be good for you or what can take you to the opportunities exactly what you are looking at, whatever your objective is. So based on your objective, you can ask me the questions in the chat box, and yes, I'll be able to help you guys how it will be helping you and what are the queries, concerns, doubts you have related to this industry. I definitely can take all those questions and help you out with it. Then if I talk about IAM skills, we have already spent approximately 9 years into the industry. We started in 2015 with digital marketing program. In 2016, within just 1 year, we have grown to 1,000 plus professional training within just 1 year, which is itself a very big milestone. In 2018, we were available in 33 plus countries. And right now, if I talk about in 2024, we are available in more than 55 countries. Along with this, since 2022, we are ranking in various news channels for our highest placement record. So in 2022, we ranked by India TV for our highest placement record. In 2023, we have ranked in multiple directions, like for the best program, best affordable program, by the various other media houses, whether it is Economic Times or it is India TV again, right? So and Times of India. So there are various channels who mentioned us for related to the various value outcomes from our training program. All the details are there on the website itself. So if you go on our website and check out the media mentions, or you check out the, like in resources, you will see the media mentions, and there you just have to check that particular page. You will find all the like medias where we are mentioned for the different things. And then in 2023, when most of the like people or most of the industry leader even just thinking about that whether AI is good or bad, whether AI will take the jobs or no. At that time, we have crafted a program which actually help our students. So that shows that how we like proactively do the things and help our students with the latest things happening around the industry. So in 2023, we added this particular AI-based digital marketing tools into our program, integrated AI in our program, and that definitely gives the extra edge to our students to go ahead and get better jobs in the industry with the updated skills of the industry, right? So similar way, we also have something this time in 2024. We also have very incredible things in our program that we have added. I will show you those things live in this particular session and how those things are gonna help you, also explaining that. Moving forward, I just want to get a quick confirmation from all of you. This is all about me and IAM skills. Now I just want to understand about all you guys who are there in the session. What objective keeps you to learn digital marketing, right? So what basically made you interest in this particular industry that you should go ahead and check out, learn about digital marketing? So what made you interested about digital marketing? So you want to get a career in this industry? You want to like already working somewhere, but you are thinking that your industry is not having much growth. So you want to grow with the digital marketing skills by adding in your profile, or want to switch into this industry, want to restart your career with digital marketing skills. You are already digital marketing professional who want to upskill with latest trends, or you are a business owner, entrepreneur, or freelance, or looking for something which is extra income, like freelancing or passive income. So quickly, guys, I required each one of you, please share your objective in this chat box so that I can cater based on your requirements within this session itself. So I have a reply from Sambat Kumar. He's saying to promote my own business. Okay. Ahmed, hi. Meghnad is saying for upskilling, I guess. Okay. Preeti is saying being a housewife, want a suitable job for a good career. Okay. Quickly, guys, we have to end this session on time. So I require your like quick responses so that I'll be able to. Okay, Bertha is saying to restart the career. Renu is looking to work as a freelancer. Okay. Saurabh want to build a stable career and later on start the agency. Okay. Archana is for the career. Shamanta is to build a stable career and freelancing opportunity. Okay. Indu is want to learn about performance marketing. Okay. Start a career in digital marketing. Okay, want to grow my own business and want to start my marketing company also in Melbourne. Okay. And then you have Aditi as a freelancer. Vijay want to start the agency. Shivam is looking for own business and freelance. Okay. And then Preetham is here for freelance. Got it. Mansa is homemaker and want to start the career. Got it. Perfect. So I can see, guys, that most of you have answered me here. And yes, the common answer is basically some of you want to go ahead work as a freelancer. And yes, some of you has a career of aspect for now. and later on you want to run your own business or agency or want to integrate digital marketing into your existing businesses, right? So this is all what kind of audience we have today in this particular session. And yes, some of them housewives like who want to restart the career, because yes, it is something which is quality skill which can make your resume heavier, and definitely as it is a trending skill, so you can learn this and can make your career into the industry and hit the industry again with some new skills. Anyone facing audio issue, I am unable to hear from beginning. Logged in and checked from laptop and phone. Okay. So guys, you just wait for a second. Let me just reply for all the people who cannot hear me, right? Because they cannot hear me. So I guess whatever I'm saying, they cannot hear that. So I'm just replying. Click on join audio at bottom left of your Zoom screen. This is for all of you as well, guys. So by any chance in future, if you feel like your audio is not coming, so you have to check this thing. You have to check on your bottom left of on your Zoom. There you will see an option of join audio, right? Then you have to click on join with computer audio. It will help you to connect with audio. By any chance, if you still not able to connect, you have to rejoin the session. All who could not hear me. Okay, so I just wrote this message for all of the people who couldn't hear me. But yes, all guys can hear me. They have shared me with their objective that what exactly they are planning to achieve after learning a digital marketing skill. Your career, restart your career, or build a business later on in the future, or want to integrate your digital marketing for freelancing and with your current business, right? Not wasting much time, directly coming on your point, where I will be teaching you and going ahead with industry requirement first. Okay, am I audible, guys? I guess the screen got stuck. Able to hear you? Able to hear me? So quickly, yes or no? Perfect. Able to see the screen? Quickly, yes or no?
Yes.
Fine. So what I was talking about, guys, basically, while you will be into the industry or while you going to any industry, you first need to understand the requirement the are looking to get into digital marketing industry. So before entering in this industry, if you are aware that what people is gonna expect from you, what they want from a digital marketer, so will you be able to cater better them or no? Are you agree with me on this point or no? What do you think? Will you be able to cater those people for whom you are working better if you are aware what is needed? For an example, if I am this will better, or you just learn anything and at the end you will go to job and then people will say you don't know this, you don't know that. What will be better for you? Prior knowing the thing and then learning, or late first learning the thing and then go to the industry and Okay, so guys, what I was asking you about the agreement of yours. Yeah, I hope you all can hear me now, right? Really sorry for the trouble, guys. There's some like bad reception at my end, so that's why the session got disconnected. Now I believe it's perfectly fine. And now I guess you will be able to hear me and can see the screen. Can I have a quick acknowledgement from all of you? Yes or no? Can you hear me, guys? Am I audible to all of you? Right. And you also can see the screen, right? Perfect. Okay. So yeah, what I was asking you that if I am helping you to understand what industry needs and after understanding the needs of industry, okay. So my voice is tracking for everyone or for Tisha only.
Okay, guys. Okay, still got it. Okay, so if I say, is that fine? My voice is fine to everyone now, and the screen. Okay, understand, Rajni. Entire purpose of this session. Please do consider a better mic and a connection. Would love to attend another session. Thanks for the time. Rajni, I would request you to, if you can just stay for next 5 minutes more, then I believe I can make you happy and solve your purpose within this session itself. I really understand this is a technical issue that I cannot hold upon. But yes, from now, I guess you'll be able to stay here and can attend this complete session and you won't regret attending this session. So I request to everyone here in this session, allow me this chance so that I can help you better, right? So Rajni, are you fine with this? Okay. Okay, so guys, simply let me just help you to understand the fact what I was talking about. Here, I was talking about if you are aware about the industry norms or industry requirement first, you can prepare yourself. So not taking on this particular topic. So I'll be simply helping you to here my screen. Here I have a one document with all of you. So over this document, I'll be helping you to understand what basically industry is expecting, right? So what industry expect. So if you understood this better, then definitely you can prepare better and then get to the industry even better. So when we are talking about guys, what industry expect, do you have anything in your mind? Can I have simply like thing that you are thinking about or anything that you are like any of your guesses that you simply share with me here in this chat box itself? What are your thinking? When we talk about expected result in the industry. Am I audible, guys? Okay, so basically, I was asking a question that if you guys have to guess about what industry demands in digital marketing, right? So let's say industry require various things. So when I'm talking about digital marketing industry, then digital marketing industry is not different. When you're working into this particular industry, then first you need to understand what people demand from a digital marketer. What will be your job as a digital marketer out there in the industry? So not really for me. All the sessions will be like this. So I understand that I'm facing some trouble today. So it does not usually happen on every time. You have my various demo session on my YouTube channel itself, which was happened by me. And yes, there was no one. There was no one that where I faced this kind of trouble before. So it is right now this time I'm facing this trouble. So that doesn't make like that every time I'll face this challenge, right? So I am just trying my best to cater you guys or to sort this particular problem. And I really admire, I really appreciate if you can just deal with it patiently and can help me help you out even, right? So can I have your support guys in this session? Perfect. So this is the thing what I'm sharing with you. Here you can see this is the particular document. Here I'm just writing one thing that expected result, what people are gonna expect from you in the industry. So in the industry, there are various type of like jobs are available in the market, and all these jobs are comes from the requirement of different. All these jobs are available in the industry only because of people expect different things. So I just want to have a quick question from all of you. What do you think? What will be your work as a digital marketer? What will be your job as a digital marketer after learning digital marketing? Can I have a quick reply from all of you? What will be your job as a digital marketer after learning digital marketing? What do you think? Whatever you think, you can simply write in the chat box. All the guesses are welcome. So if you want to guess, you simply can guess here. Okay, Anuj is saying to promote business. Ajinkya is saying to build a brand image. Okay. Rest all guys, quickly guess what you think, what will be your job as a digital marketer. Online ad, Nisha is saying. Okay, Sambat Kumar is saying better result in business promotion. Okay, all the people who are doesn't aware, they don't have to write something. If you're not aware, simply write no. Right? So if you are aware about job in the industry, write this. If you're not aware, simply write not aware. Nisha is saying online ad. Shamanta is saying branding. Preetham is saying to promote client business online, globally, or domestically. Hindu is saying to promote client business in vast scale. Okay. Aditi is saying digitally promote a business. Aditi is saying to promote a business. I understand. Okay, yeah, all of you must thinking like digital marketing is directly related to the promoting business. Understood? Basically to generate leads or sales, brand awareness, increase brand identity. Yes. So close. Okay. So let me quickly help you to understand this fact. Basically, if I just go further into the expected result, that what industry is expecting, one of the major objective in the industry is lead generation, as Saurabh said, right? So when you go and work with any organization, they have a common objective. They want to increase the number of leads. They want to increase the number of clients they already have, right? So if let's say you are working with various companies, guys, you're always like, you maybe some of you is running the businesses as well. You all must know one human behavior that right now, if I am this much big, right now, if I am generating a revenue of 1 crore, then I definitely want to grow this revenue. I want to generate a 2 crore revenue in next year or in next quarter. I want to increase that. So every business have a same mentality. They wants to grow, right? And because of this mentality, what they want to achieve and what can make you this achieve. So let's say if my business right now have a 1000 leads, out of 1000 leads, I am converting 100 clients, and that 100 clients, if giving me the revenue of 1 crore, so there is a simple maths. To reach at 2 crore, what I need? I need 2000 leads. Out of 2000 leads, I right now I'm converting let's say 100. Then I have to convert 200, right? Right now I'm earning 1 crore. To reach 2 crore, what I have to do? I need to increase my conversions. I need to increase my conversion from 100 to 200. And to increase the conversion, what I have to do? I have to increase my leads, right? Because leads has a percentage of conversion. So you cannot say everyone is inquiring for your product, everyone will purchase your product. Basically, out of them, some percentage will buy your product because they have a urgent requirement, right? So similar way, if 100 people are buying, that is a 10%. So out of 1000, let's say 100 people are buying. So with the ratio of 10%, you have to generate more number of leads that you can reach to 200 conversion. And that can help you to generate better business and more business. So that is why every business wants to generate more and more leads. Do you think any business out there who don't want more customer or leads? Quickly, yes or no? Can you think of any business who doesn't want more customer or leads? Quickly, yes or no? Right? And here the opportunity comes for digital marketers where they need people who can produce leads. Second, if I talk about the second most objective after lead generation, I can write here the customer acquisition as well because they both are the same thing, lead generation or customer acquisition. When I'm talking about the second point, what will be the most demanding thing after lead generation? So if I give you one scenario here, let's say you all are running a good business. In your business, you are working with 100 clients, and now you have like increased your leads as well. Now you are converting 200 clients. But later on, there are you won't be able to increase the lead every time, right? So let's say today I am generating 1000 leads. Next month or next quarter, I am generating 2000 leads. And then next quarter, I generate 3000 leads. And next quarter, in 1 year, I generate the 4000 leads. So now my ratio is 4000. I cannot scale it much, right? There is some time when this is on equilibrium state. I believe you know the equilibrium state, or it is on the saturation point. When it is on the saturation point, when I don't have the option to generate more leads, what do I do? Any guesses? Quality leads, Anuj is saying, targeted. Okay. What more? Anyone? Let's say now I am reached at a point where I cannot generate more leads. This is way sufficient because to cater the leads, I need the team as well. But now I cannot extend my expenses on the team or on the, like, let's say, more number of leads because the saturation point is already there. So now I am on a situation, and this is the very much situation for digital marketer when they join some good companies. Good companies means there are chances that you start with some startup, right? When you start with some startup, there is a huge opportunity to generate leads, to build brand, to do various things. But when you reach at a company which is already doing good at the number of leads, they are generating good number of leads, they are already getting the sufficient customers, but they want to still grow themselves. What you do? No guesses? Simply write, if not aware, simply write not aware. I'm just saying brand value. Okay. Yeah, simple. The question is, let's say when you reach at a position where you don't think of generating more leads, what you do the next to still grow the company, to still grow the revenue of the company. Okay. Yes. So some of you may have guessed it right. It is basically related to brand promotion, right? Not directly, but let me tell you why people do this. Brand promotion or awareness. What will happen with the brand promotion and awareness so that your revenue will increase? What does happen with the help of this? So let me just quickly help you to understand this. So once you reach at a position, or let's say you want to increase the conversion rate, I, I believe all of you remember I told you out of 1,000, you are converting the 100 leads, right? There is an opportunity that you can convert 150 customer out of every 1,000 leads, right? But to increase that 50 customers in every 1,000 leads, what do you need to do? You need to work on the various factors. And what are those factors? That one of them is brand awareness, right? So for an example, if I'll say there are two type of shoes are available. One shoes sold by Adidas. Another shoes is sold by Tiwari Shoes Company. Which one you prefer to buy?
The most infamous.
And why so? It is trusted brand. It is recognized brand. You are aware of it. People are aware of it, right? Right. So increase in brand awareness, increase in brand promotion is actually helping the buyer to take decision. So when buyer is taking decision, then your conversion rate is going up. So let's say if Tiwari Shoes Company is converting 100 client out of 1,000 people. But let's say if Tiwari Shoe Companies start doing their brand promotion at a good level, right? Right now, I believe you are aware about there are various brands in the industry who promoted them very well, right? I believe you people know there is one brand called Roadster from Mintra, right? How many of you know this brand? It is well-known brand, it is good brand, having good clothing at a affordable price. So they are not like Adidas or they are not like, let's say, Nike, but they still have a good brand awareness in the industry. So what they do basically, they promote themselves and people don't hesitate to buy their product. So if in front of me there are two type of shoes, one is Roadster and another one is Adidas, I may not choose Adidas or I may not choose because I am aware about both the brand. I am aware about the value propositions as well. That Roadster is offering me less price and get offering me a good product. And they also have a good brand reputation in the industry, brand awareness in the industry, right? So I may choose Roadster, but I'm not choosing Tiwari Shoes Company. Why? Because that is not that level, because that is that recognition part in terms of brand, right? So understood the point? If yes, quickly write UD in the chat box. If you understood this point, write UD. Thanks, Anuj, Vijay, Saurabh, Indu, Pritam, Archana. Perfect. Okay, so thanks for your acknowledgement, guys. Thanks, Preeti. So now the brand can help you if you're doing and the right brand promotion, then it will help you to increase your revenue and increase your conversions and also increase lead generation part. So if people more aware about your brand, they don't hesitate to put their details on your website. They easily put it, right? So your leads count is also going to be increased, right? So you grow holistically. Now, what will be the third thing? What do you think? If a business is investing money on lead generation, if the business is also investing money on brand promotion, these two are something where people are investing money, right? So what they want in return, they want revenue, right? So the third point, which every business want, let's say, how many of you like drink sugarcane juice? or ever tried that? And have you seen the process? They keep grinding the sugar cane again and again, again and again, again and again to get the most out of it, right? So similarly, what businesses do to keep increasing the revenue, what they do, keep working with digital marketers with the various prepositions, various different things. So the initial step is lead generation. Then they work closely with the brand so that they can take care all the concern related to brand and can also generate the multiple, like you can say, take care of those factor of conversion rate or increase that. And then they work upon the revenue generation. And what is the revenue generation model? What do you think? So let's say if now you are the one generated good number of leads, converted 100 people out of 1,000, then you build your brand, then you work on the brand, then now you are converting 150 people out of 1,000. But what is the next thing you can do to increase your further revenue? You can run the revenue generation campaigns, right? Where you are running that kind of campaign, where people can take the quick decisions, where you can make people to take quick decisions. Yeah. So I believe someone is unmuted. So I'm just muting you guys. If you don't have any question, I'm just muting you. Right. Okay. So now the third point is revenue generation. These are all the problems of businesses which you are gonna solve as a digital marketer. Right. So understand this part is really important. So now the revenue generation part, if I'm talking about, then when the businesses are at the position, let's say they're generating good number of leads, they're also doing the brand promotion. Now they increase their conversion rate also. Now what they want to still increase their revenue. They want to keep grind you as a digital marketer or all their resources to get maximum out of it, right? So the next thing what they do, they start working with the revenue generation process where they can increase the revenue. And for revenue generation, there are various models. So they work with like, they run the campaigns which independently help them to generate revenue, right? Like they start selling over marketplaces, Amazon, Flipkart, other revenue generation platforms. They also start doing affiliate marketing and all. They help others or make others to sell their product so that people in the industry selling their product, they are generating revenue and they are giving the commissions out of it, right? What else they do? They run the targeted ads to the people who just want to click and buy the products. I believe most of you have seen when you are scrolling your Instagram, when you are scrolling on your Facebook, you see type of advertisement where you click, and after clicking on those advertisement, you will go on a page where the sale is live for next 1 hour. Click this product, buy right now. They don't ask your email ID, phone number. They don't want you as a lead. They just want you to make a purchase on their website, right? And those ads usually are for the low ticket size. You will see that mobile phone covers, accessories, right? Jewelry accessories, gifting. You can say if you have someone close having a birthday in this month, you will see the gifting related advertisement there. And when you click on those ads, then you directly reach on a page where they ask you to buy, right? Apart from this, you also have a revenue generation model where you ask for repeated revenue. Repeated revenue. Let's say for an example, Amazon. Amazon, what they do? If I buy a printer from Amazon today or buy a printer from Flipkart, what they can do? After every month end, they send me an email to purchase cartridges or A4 sheets, right? So what it does, it contributes to their revenue by suggesting the relevant item at the right point of time. So if I am someone who is using a printer, Amazon knows this. Amazon knows this because I purchased it from there. So Amazon knows this that I am a printer user. So they keep showing me the cartridges or A4 sheets related emailers. They send it to me. They show me those ads that there is an offer going on cartridges. Buy 3 cartridges at this price. So I'll get those update by Amazon because I am a targeted customer for repeated revenue for them. Understood? Understood this revenue generation point? Well taken. If understood very well, simply write UD. And this is how most of the organization going bigger and getting bigger. Why? Because they use their customers wisely. They use a funnel, they use a process to keep grinding their resources and keep generating the revenue in the multiple aspects. First, as a lead, they convert them, generate the revenue. Then they start getting the recurring revenue by suggesting the relevant products. So similar way, you all guys have an opportunity to grow the brand or grow the companies you are working with, right? So if you're working in a company which is selling similar type of opportunity, they can show or they can send the relevant type of, like you can say, suggestions to your customers, send the emailers to your complete database of customer who purchase your products at the first time, and then you keep generating the revenue out of that. And for your information, as per the industry, if you send emailers or nurture your clients, you can generate up to 40 to 100% return out of it. 40 to 100% means 42x. So for you, I can show you here. How much return you can expect on $1 spent in email marketing. Can you say that again, please? Yeah, I am saying this. If you are investing $1 on email marketing, then you can expect somewhere around any term between 36 to 45, right? So you have 40, like into 40, like here you can see up to 3,600 to 4,200 percentage of growth or return of your investment. So if I'm just spending $1 on email marketing, it can help me to generate $42 of business. Why I'm saying this? Because here is the revenue generation model we were discussing, where Amazon sent me an email because I bought a printer from them, and they sent me an email for buy the cartridges and A4 sheets. So when I am getting that email, so might be all the people who bought printer, they don't need this, but some of them may need this. And out of those people, they generate that business, right? So this is how the multiple revenue model people run to increase their revenue further. After doing the leads, after doing the brand building, now they work upon the recurring revenue model, right? What is the fourth one? What do you think after this, what the companies want? Lead generation is done, brand promotion is done, revenue generation is done. What do you think? What else can be there? It is so underrated. The one I am gonna discuss now. It is online reputation. Recall value comes with brand promotion and awareness itself. You create the campaign which increase the resale value or recall value basically. Right. Customer intentions is basically one of the things you can consider with ORM, right? So online reputation management or online reputation manager is the kind of job which is very underrated in today's world. But yes, most of the companies are using this, or you can say nearly every company which is growing, they are using this, right? So ORM, we call it ORM. So online reputation management, what it does, it is basically to deal with the people who are facing such challenges with your brand on the internet, and you take care of those brand related issues, right? Which will ultimately help your brand to grow. How people do this? If I give you one example, how many of you are aware that there are some incidents happen with some celebrity or some politician, and after immediately you will see there are various PR agencies, there are various like digital marketing agencies, creative agency, they start working on the increasing brand reputation of that particular person, of that particular celebrity or that particular politician. Is that happen? Have you seen this in daily life? Right. Similar way, right. Similar way, you also must have experienced one of the thing that, let's say when your order getting late with Zomato, right? When your order is getting late, you post on internet that yes, over Twitter or over any other platform that yes, my order is not received yet. It is already past 1 hour and it was showing me the 30 minutes, right? So I have not received it on time. So what they do, immediately one of their brand representative comment on your tweet that, okay, we take care. Please share your order ID with us. Let me just check and do the best possible resolution for you. Is that happen or no? Right. So all those people are working behind this. They use a particular tool which is called as a social listening. Those social listening tools used by online reputation managers, and what they do, they find out what people are talking about on internet about my company. And when they understood this, okay, someone wrote this or someone maybe mentioned them, so they simply can take care all those things by helping them, because millions of people are watching them there. So if they don't take care their reputation there, then it will harm their other clients as well, right? So it is necessary to grow holistically. So let's say if you are working on these first three things very hard, you are working on lead very hard, you are working on brand very hard, you are working on revenue very hard. But if your reputation is not increasing, or if your reputation is getting down day by day, then your business is going to fall. It won't increase, it won't multiply. To multiply your business, you have to take care of ORM as well, right? So based on the business's objective, these four jobs are there in the industry which help any business to grow. How many of you agree with me on this point? If you understood these four things, you can grow any brand. Perfect. Okay, I require the acknowledgement from all of you in this. Perfect. Thanks, Vijay, Shilpa, Preeti, Sambat. Okay. Perfect. So now I have just shared with you what all opportunities are in the industry. So what you need to do, guys, to get a good job or to get a good freelancing clients or to stable or create a stable brand in the industry, what you have to do? See, content creation is required on every part. Why I am not writing here? Because companies are not expecting you to create content. They are expecting you all these things, right? So for these things, you are producing content. Got it? Correct me if I'm wrong, Saurabh. Content writing is not their objective. Content creation is not their objective. Their objective or problem is related to this. And to solve that problem, you will be writing content. I'll be coming on that part next. So you will understood it better then. Okay, so now I am talking about you all. I think that comes under brand promotion. It comes under everything. It comes under lead generation as well. It comes under brand promotion as well. It comes under revenue generation as well. It comes under online reputation as well. Right? How? Let me just show you here. So let's say if I have to generate leads, what I will do? How to perfect what? How to perfect way to promote their products? These all what I am discussing is all about the promoting product or services, promoting any company, Pritam. So if you want to promote your product, I'm coming on that part right now. You just understood it. Lead generation, brand promotion, revenue generation, online reputation management, right? All these things are something you need to do to increase the business of a company. And how one by one, I'm just helping you to understand now. Right. So till now, you all are aware what people expect from you. Now I'm just helping you to understand how you achieve them for the people. Right. So let's say if you got a client as a freelancer, how will you achieve these things for your client? If you got a company hiring you as a digital marketer, how will you achieve or like met these objectives, generating lead, brand promotion for the company, right? So for an example, for an instance, what we do here, let me just help you with a practical example. So to generate leads, what people usually do? What are the methods to generate leads? For an example, let's say if I am someone who is searching for weight loss medicines, right? I am someone who is a fat. I can be the customer for all the companies selling the weight loss products. Am I correct? Yes or no? Right. So when I am a fat person and I'm looking to get reduce some weight, so I'll be the customer for all the company who are offering the services, medicines, everything related to my problem. So my problem, I am searching on the internet, weight loss medicines. I need weight loss medicines to lose weight. When I'm searching for this, I'm getting these companies here, which are with sponsored tag. Then I have these companies, which are simply not with any tag. They are simply the name of the company, their details. And then I have another result here, which is again with sponsored. So first, let's understand what is sponsored. How many of you know what is sponsored? How many of you know what is sponsored? Basically, sponsored mean paid ads, right? If you are on Google, it's Google paid ads. If you are on Facebook, it is Meta paid ads. So when you are working with any platform and you see something is sponsored, that means it is a paid advertisement happening there. It is part of SEM, right? Search engine marketing. All other things which are non-sponsored, what they called? They called organic. I'm not talking about platform specific. It is organic when you see everything which is non-sponsored. So let's say when you see the reels of people sharing on internet, that is getting millions of views, but that is not written sponsored. That means it has a organic growth, right? So paid ads means all sponsored thing. Organic means all the non-sponsored or non-paid things. Right? In search engine, when we are talking about in terms of search engine, so let's say I put my query on search engine, right? Weight loss medicines. So when I'm putting weight loss medicines on the Google, then I am the one who is searching for the particular product or services. And then there are various companies who are dealing into this. They are trying to show me their ads. So when in terms of Google, it is called Google ads. What are the sponsored? And all the things which are non-sponsored here, they are called SEO, right? So Google ads and SEO are here. So I believe it is the way to generate leads. Are you agree with me or no? SEM, which is Google ads. And the next is SEO, which is organic marketing, right? So when you search any term on Google, can you say that again, please? Vijay, I am saying when you search any term on Google, you will see two types of results. One is advertisement, which is sponsored, and another one is organic, which is SEO, right? These two are using the company to capture the people for relevant product or relevant searches. So let's say I am the one who is searching weight loss medicines. So to capture me as a client, to capture me as a lead, some companies are running the advertisement, which are these one, the sponsored one. And some of them doing their SEO, which are these one, right? So difference between SEO and ads is one is paid, another one is non-paid. And why both are important? Because let's say you launch your brand, you launch your company. So SEO is something which is a time-taking process. So to get your result in SEO, it can take up to 3 to 6 months. You cannot get it overnight. But let's say if you want to sustain your business for next six months, till then you are not getting customer with SEO. If you want to sustain your business till then, what you do? You get the customer using ads, right? So this is how it works. And I have one tool here. I'm sharing this tool with all of you. This tool you simply can install in your Chrome by going into extension. So there is an option by clicking on three dots in the top right side. Click on extensions and there you can click visit Chrome web browser and type this name which I shared, Uber extension or Uber suggest extension. Then you can install this extension. So when I'm turning this on, you can see one very interesting thing. When I'm turning this on, you simply can see that how many people are actually searching for weight loss medicines. It is showing me the all statistics that how many people are searching for the terms. So it is the keyword which people are searching. It is the volume, how many people are searching. It is the CPC. CPC means cost per click. So how much Google is charging for this particular keyword. And then you have a SD, which is difficulty to rank over here, SEO difficulty, right? So if you organically want to rank here on this keyword, then you have to beat this particular difficulty level, right? Rather, if I'll just say it has a 2900 searches and SEO difficulty is 36. So it is easier to rank on weight loss medicine that actually work. And it is a bit tougher to rank on weight loss medicine, this keyword. Understood? Understood what metrics it is showing? Process is very simple, Meghnad. You just have to go to your Chrome browser. In your Chrome browser, on top right, you have a 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and you will be going to extensions. Or you simply can write, if you don't want to do this process, you simply write Uber suggest extension for Chrome. Once you write this, you will be on this Chrome web store link. Click here. Once you click here, you have these extensions available where you just click on add to Chrome option and it will be added. And then it will be live and you also can check out all these statistics. Got it, Meghnad? It's completely free. It is not paid. Perfect. So now when I'm talking about this, then you see, and now you are aware that if I have to run ads on weight loss medicine, Google is charging me 13 rupee per click. If I'm running on weight loss medicine homeopathy, then Google is charging me 9 rupee per click. It is approximate cost. But when I'm searching for weight loss medicine in India, then Google is charging me 27 rupees for every click, right? And it is showing me one another interesting things. Can you see here in SEO, in Mayo Clinic, it is not a sponsored website. So here it is showing us, here it is showing me these things, domain authority, estimated visit. Estimated visit means how much traffic this website is getting on monthly basis. So can you, once you take it over, you will see estimated monthly visits. So this website is getting 80,000 approximate, like 79,000 visits every month. So let's say if this company is not on SEO, if they don't have a ranking here, if they have to get their business only with advertisement, how much money they have to invest? 79,000 into the minimum cost of the keyword was somewhere around 10 rupees, right? It's still 8 lakhs rupees. And if I'm just multiplying it with a higher amount, it should be 22 lakhs. So if I'll take anything in between, 8 lakh to 21 lakhs, so it will be somewhere around 15 lakhs. So if I'm ranking on all different keywords, if I'm putting my money in ranking myself on different keywords, some keyword is charging 17, some keyword is charging 10. So I have to spend approximately 15 lakhs rupees to get this much of traffic, which I am getting free of cost with the help of SEO. So this is type of requirements are there, or this is type of strategy you need to build there so that you can grow your organization or multiply your organization. So what do you think if I focus on SEO and if I rank myself here? Definitely I'm running the ads as well. So what will happen? I'll grow multiple. Some people will click over here, some people will click here, some people will be common who click on both of them, right? But sir, still I have an opportunity to grow further because I have opportunity with both the options. Similar way, if I, let's say, don't run the ads, if I just come up with only SEO first ranking or first page ranking, because all of them are getting good, like 70,000, 6,000, 17,000. How to get website visits through SEO? Yeah, that is what the learning covers. So I'll teach you that. So don't worry about it. You will learn this is 80,000 visits they are getting every month. So all these websites are basically focusing on SEO to generate the leads, generate the traffic on their website, which ultimately can convert them into leads or customer or sales, whatever they want to do, right? So this is the importance of SCM and SEO. You use both of them to generate the leads, right? So now someone is asking, Manvi is saying how to get website visit through SEO. So Manvi, basically SEO has a pattern, SEO has a algorithm, or Google has a set of rules. You have to make yourself align with all those rules. So let's say when I'm talking about Google, Google have declared that anyone who is giving valuable content, anyone who is using all these metrics in their business, in their website, in their pages, I'll give them ranking. So what are those metrics? What are those like key points? What are those things you need to make changes in your website to rank in SEO? That will be the learning in your search engine optimization module that you will be getting here in your training program, right? Apart from SEO, what next? What do you think? What else help you to generate leads? It is SMM, which is called as a social media marketing. So I'm writing here social media marketing, so people must aware that what is Instagram, Facebook, all these things are. So when you run the advertisement on Instagram, it is sponsored ads, or when you run like you can say organically grow your Instagram channel or organically grow your like content over the social media channels, then you definitely can promote it and can try to generate more leads with the help of it. But usually, most of the time, people use advertisement there to generate leads because nobody will see your ads. Nobody see about your product information organically, right? What people see on social media organically, they see entertaining content, right? Informative content. They see all that kind of content. But usually, while they're watching the informative or entertaining content, in between you will see some ads. So those ads are usually shown to the people who doesn't have much intent to buy, right? But when you are directly showing them the ads, are you getting my point, guys? What is the difference between people searching on Google or people promoting through social media? Can anyone tell me what is the difference in the chat box itself? Or are you guys aware about the difference? Quickly, yes or no? If you are aware, what is the difference between people searching on Google and people getting the ads on social media? Just simply write yes, or people don't know, say write no. Okay. So guys, if I am fat, I want to lose weight, right? And I'm searching on Google. So what is, and if I am fat and I am checking out some food related video, or let's say some exercises related videos getting on my Instagram, and suddenly one medicine related company telling me about get this medicine and lose weight. What is the difference? Difference of intent. On Google, I myself searching to get reduce my weight, right? On social media, I'm not searching myself. What I'm doing, I'm simply checking out some exercises related things. And in between, people have shown me reduce weight with medicines. But my objective is not, let's say, if I am someone who's just looking for exercising, I'm not looking for buying the medicines to lose weight. I'm just looking for weight loss exercises on social media. But still, I will see the ads related to lose weight with medicines. But on Google, when I'm searching for weight loss medicines, then it means I'm searching for medicines. And people targeting me there for medicines, I'm more likely to get their medicines because I'm exactly looking for the same, right? So the intent is different. So when you are scrolling social media, you only have an intent to entertain yourself or to get informations about the different things going on around the industry, right? But when you are searching on Google, you have a buying intent. You have the exploring intent of the things. Got it? Yes or no? If you understood this, simply write UD, right? So how many of you think which one is the better for conversions? Which one will be better for conversions? Social media or Google, or like let's say Google and social media. We do this. Don't say SEO or SCM. Just write either Google or social media. Right. Google is better in terms of conversion. So if the conversion rate of Google leads, it is better than the conversion rate of social media leads. But similar way, opportunity is same. Why? Because social media leads are cheaper in terms of acquiring the customer. So let's say if I am showing my ads to 100 people over social media, it is costing me 100 rupees. For an example, I'm giving you example. So if I'm spending 100 rupees on social media, it is showing my ad to 1,000 people. And out of 1,000 people, I am getting, let's say, 2 to 3% of conversion rate. So it will be somewhere around, let's say, 20 customers, right? But when I am showing my ads on Google and I'm investing 100 rupees, so Google won't show to 1,000 people because Google ads are gonna expensive and Google only show it to the people who have a buying intent or higher intent. So when people are searching for this, then out when I'm running ahead of 100 rupees, then I can expect not 1,000 people will see my ad. I can expect only the 200 people who are searching for my product, they will see the ads. And out of 200 people, I can convert 10% of conversion. So that's will somewhere around again 20. So in social media, I am showing 1,000 people in the same amount and I am getting 20 sales. And over the Google, I am showing to only 200 people and still getting 20 conversion from there, right? So difference is because the platform is expensive and then you also have a higher conversion rate. That's why the platform is expensive. And there you have a cheaper platform and the conversion rate is also a lesser there. But if you, at the end, if you will see the cost involved, if you see how much you invested and what return you have got, is approximately good in both ways. If you investing in both, it can give you a better result. And there are combination also. How many of you know that you can show the ads to people over Facebook and Instagram, what they are searching on Google? How many of you have done this? How many of you have seen the different ads? So let's say if I am going on a website of Mintra, I am buying a Roadster shoes there. So when I am on Mintra and I'm buying a Roadster shoes, after closing the Mintra, when I open my Instagram, I'll see a same shoes advertisement on Mintra, my Instagram. I will see the same shoes ads on my YouTube when I'm watching a video. I'll see the same shoe ad over my Facebook when I'm exploring over there in my feeds. There is a right side sponsored ad where will you see those similar product ads, right? Sometime you also understand that you are talking something. Let's say I am saying 10 times Shah Rukh Khan near to my phone. Then suddenly you will see Shah Rukh Khan related something over the internet, right? You're talking about something and later on you will see the similar things are happening around there. So I believe you must understand there are certain applications which ask your mobile mic permission. So they ask for the mic permission and they consider whatever words you say as a keywords. So whatever you are telling, their AI is understanding those keywords and based on those keywords, they are showing you the ads. It is called as a in-market audio, in-market audience over the Facebook and other platforms, right? So this is how you can take the maximum advantage of social media. And how this happens? They use your cookies, they use your mentions, and based on that, they show you the ads on the social media. Right. So this is how social media is effective. So let's say if I am someone came on my website, imskills.com, searching for digital marketing course, but that person not given me their detail, that person not given me their email ID, phone number, anything. and that person left my website. So what happened? When that person opened the Instagram, Facebook, they again see my ad. And then at that time, they can click and can again fill up the details. So I'm giving chance to myself, all the people visiting my website, I can keep them again on my website and can get them or get their leads to increase. Yeah, absolutely. They have the features available for in-market audience on all the platforms, right? So when you click on in-market audience, they will take all of those people who are just using that particular thing. So it is completely legal because you have given the consent to use the mic of your phone, right? So anyone can use it. So it is not something which is not legal. It is completely legally happening. Okay, so right now, next, we'll be talking about brand awareness and promotion. And this is all for the lead generation. Maximum people use only these platforms for lead generation. Apart from this, we don't use any other platform to generate leads, right? Because people usually do two things. Either they search on Google or what they do, they scroll their social media. So in today's time, there are two things that are happening. Scrolling social media and searching on Google, right? So this is how people are getting, even if you just consider yourself, whenever you buy anything, what you do? You search on Google. Best mobile phone in 30,000 rupees, best shoes for running, best academy for cricket near me, best places to hang out near me. You search all these things, best tourist place to visit in this June month, right? Happen? Happen with all of you? Right. Okay, so now the next thing is brand promotion. As I said, brand promotion is equally important. How you do the brand promotion? Again, with the social media. Brand promotion happens with visual effects, right? Brand promotion cannot happen by just search ads. So let's say if something is there, people don't read about brands. They just don't read like this about you, right? They just don't like to read about you like this. So if you want to promote your brand, what you have to do? You have to use visually appealing things, right? So that visually appealing things you can use in a format of image or videos. So for brand promotion and awareness, people use the platform which support images and videos. So which is basically social media. All the social media like you have a FB, Insta, Pinterest, right? And then you have your Snapchat. So all these are basically platform which people use for promoting themselves over like social media to show themselves. So one very interesting thing related to brand promotion and awareness I would like to share here. If I say a word brand here, you might get some brand name in your mind, right? If I say, think about a brand, I'm giving you 3 seconds and then write whatever you have in your mind. Simply write brand, think about it, take 3 seconds and write here whatever you have in your mind. Quickly, guys, do it quickly. Nikita is written Nike. Okay. What other people are getting? Apple. Okay. Quickly, guys, I want each one of you to do this practice because I am gonna help you something really interesting. Toyota, Adidas, okay. Tata, Rolex, Enfield, okay. Rolls-Royce, okay. LG, okay. Okay, so when you were thinking about these brands, guys, do you have their logo in your mind or so? No. Yes or no? Yes. So while I'm thinking of a brand, I already got their imagination or their like visual effects in my mind that what Adidas is, how like Apple is look like. I have all these information in my mind. And suddenly I also have one thing, what they do, what Adidas do, what Nike do, what Apple do. You all knows about this, right? So let's say when you plan to buy a shoes, what will be the top of your mind? Will influence you, right? That will influence your decision. Let's say when I'm searching for a best shoes, and then I see Adidas name again, because my subconscious already has this name. Okay, guys, you're taking me wrong. I'm not asking about this design, specification, comfortable price, and etc. Yes, you will look all these things, but you look all these things within a particular range or a brand, right? If Tiwari Shoes Company is giving you good design, you don't purchase that, right? So yeah, here I'm talking about brand promotions. Why I'm talking about this here? Because brands are related with visual appearance of theirs. So when you see them frequently, then your subconscious mind capture their information. And whenever you have any relevant things happening around the industry, then you will recognize your brand again, and then you just try to inquire about it. So for an example, what, let's say, Coca-Cola brand campaign, or when you talk about Cadbury, how many of you are aware about Cadbury Dairy Milk? I guess everyone, right? So Cadbury, time to time, they do various campaigns for brand promotions to relate people with their brand. How they do it? I hope if any one of you remember the advertisement of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, where he was talking about this is the first day, पहली तारीख, right? कुछ मीठा है खाना. If I'm talking in Hindi, right? So I hope all of you have seen this ad. This is the first day of your month or first day of your salary. Get something sweet at your home, right? So that type of ads, what they do, they have a long impact. So you have seen something on visually, and let's say it is going, it's 20 or 30 in between of the month. Now on the first, you got your salary. You have that in your mind. Okay, let's bring something sweet at home. Let's bring some chocolate for the kids. Let's bring something for like my parents or wife, right? So similar way, you have many things are happening around you. Like Coca-Cola did a campaign, Coca-Cola with the name for brother, Coca-Cola for friends, Coca-Cola for mother, right? They created a campaign like this. So let's say when you are buying something, you always get to remember, okay, bhai ki Coca-Cola. So you just try to make sure that, okay, today let's take one Coca-Cola for brother. Let's take another one for the sister as well, because they have a different name on print on that particular bottle. Right. So they help you to get connected with emotions, right? So that's how their brand representation comes into the picture. So whenever same emotions are happening, which you have seen in the brand campaign, you can relate with it and you can just try to replicate the things, right? So this is how brand promotion and awareness work. They use images and videos to trigger everything, whether the emotion, to trigger the urgency, to trigger the importance, and to trigger, let's say, to stay in your subconscious mind, to keep their image, logo, anything in your subconscious mind. Right. So whenever you think of mobile phone, you think of Samsung, Adidas, or like say OnePlus, Apple. When you think of noodles, you think of Maggie. When you think of coffee, you think of Nestle. So that's how it works. Right? So it is for social media marketing, for brand promotion. And there is one interesting fact. You also can use SCM for the brand promotion. Wondering how? There is a one type of advertisement in SEO, which is called as a display ads. How many of you are aware about display ads? It is like basically, let's say I'm going through one article on any website. I'm just, for an example, opening the Times of India. But let's say if I open any particular website for reading something, or I'm exploring internet, or I'm checking out some of the website. But when I am like reading some news on any website, what they do? they have a Google AdSense implemented on them. Google Okay. Is it fine now, guys? Is it fine? Right. Okay. So what I was saying, when you open or when you're going through any content or any website on the internet, when you are reading some information about various things. So what you usually do, what you usually see, you usually see this type of information there. Right, let's say I am reading one article here where grace marks were given due to loss of time. Right, I'm reading this news on Times of India. So while I'm reading this news, I can see one advertisement here, which is from Lufthansa. I can see another advertisement here from Maruti Suzuki Arena. Can you all see this? In the right and left, you will also see a Lufthansa ad here. But I'm not here to read about Lufthansa. I am here to read my news. I have information here about Policy Bazaar, right? So I have one advertisement here for ET Money. So all these companies, what they are doing, they are trying to remember me their name. They know that I am not here for them. But what they're doing, they're just increasing a brand awareness campaign. They just try to remember their brand name to us while I am reading the different things. Are they expensive? No, they are not much expensive. You can use it with Google remarketing ads, it is saying. And the best part of this ads is you can run it as per your niche. It is not necessarily you are showing it to anyone. You can show it to the people. Let's say if I am a fitness influencer, if I am someone who write related to fitness, and you are the one who is selling products which are used in fitness. So let's say you are selling the some muscle gainers or you are sharing some like energy boosters. So what you can do, you can show your ad and select the category that only visible on the websites which are related to fitness. So your ad will be visible on only the websites which are related to the same niche. Got it? So they are impactful as well. Right. So this is called display advertising and it is part of Google and you can use it for brand promotion and awareness. Similar way, you have your email marketing. If people are not aware, email marketing is a great way to promote your brand and how it works. How many of you seen the advertisement or email from Zomato? They even share their customer journey or even their employee's journey over the email. That this is our employee, his name is Anuj, or his name is, let's say, Rahul, and he worked here since last 5 years. He has a dream about getting his own home in particular location. So with Zomato, with his earning, he created his house for his family. So they share their employee journey and employee story as well. Why? To show people. I'm still getting in Australia also. Yeah. So basically they do it. Why? Because they want you to understand what kind of brand we are. We are a very good brand who take care of their employees, who take care of their, like you can say, customers, everyone. So we are good brand, happy brands, and work closely with our employees. Right. So it creates a brand impact. So this is how email marketing is working. Then revenue generation, same. Over the revenue generation, you see, use social media, where I have shared about you those advertisement where you click for mobile phone covers, gifting ideas, you click and purchase them, right? So majorly it is happening on FB and Insta, not on the other platform. And then SCM, we don't use for revenue. Yes, we use for revenue generation where we use the shopping ads. So for your information, Google has 8 to 9 different type of ads and they have a different purpose. So SCM shopping ads is something impulse buying on social media. Yeah. So similar way, SCM is something which is search engine marketing. Over search engine, people also buy the product. How? I search for the weight loss medicine. Now I'm getting these companies which are giving me everything. Price, name, details, everything. Right? When I'm click any of these companies, let's I click on this company. When I click on the ad of this company, can you see? This ad is look like what is they are more focusing on? Are they focusing on to generate leads or they are just focusing on to make me purchase? Right. So their cut content and intent, what they have on their page, the content and what type of intent, both are for selling. The biggest thing in this page is this button, which is buy it now. Offers, save, everything is there. Right. Then if you further go, influencers, convincing you to purchase. Right. The results. Right. So everything is making you to just make a quick decision and buy it now. Right. So this is one of the area where people use shopping advertisement to generate revenue. And also the one I have shared initially is email marketing. Email marketing is again for recurring revenue, right? Someone purchased my digital marketing course. So in future, I can show that person or send an email. Are you looking to learn data analytics also to make it more comprehensive or play with data? Yes, people love to buy. People do this. We have a content writing course, people purchase that. And after that, when we send emailers to our content writing students, that now if you want to go bigger, if you want to get more opportunity in digital world, you can do our digital marketing course and people get converted. They did our email, like content writing course, and then they enroll in our digital marketing course as well. Right. Same with our digital marketing course. Someone did our digital marketing course. We can send the emailers to them if they are want to go more comprehensive with data. So they can learn the data analyst course. So we have that course and people buy this. Right. So similar way, there is a always option with the help of email marketing. You can nurture your leads who didn't purchase yet from you, or you also can nurture people who already become your customer and you can upsell or get the repeat or business from those people. Now, online reputation management. How you manage the reputation? Simply through social media, review sites, Q&A platforms like Quora, Answer the Publics, all these, right? So all of them usually people use for managing their reputation. Okay, so now I just want to a quick yes or no from all of you. If you understood this part really well, can I have a quick yes or no? Perfect. Thanks, Vijay, Megnath, Saurabh, Rahul, Preeti, Anuj, Indu, Pritam, Archana. Perfect. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for the acknowledgement. Okay, so now what next thing I'm going to help you with is simply, all of you can see this screen. So the next thing I have is the right structure which can help you to become this, who can do all this, right? So there is a right structure that we follow with our student, which help them to become the person who can work with all these things, who can work with lead generation, brand promotion, revenue generation, work with all these platforms and able to produce practical result in the industry, right? And how we do this? We follow this structure where first we help them with insightful learning. Did you find this session insightful till now or no? Yes or no? Quick yes or no? Similar type of insightness you will found in all your session where first we will be helping you to understand the platform. For an example, if I am teaching you Google Ads or if I am teaching you SEO, so first I will describe you that how SEO works, how Google provide ranking, what all insights are there. Then I'll teach you how to work with tools and how to use SEO tools. Right? If I directly teach you the tools, it is called learning. It is not called insightful learning, but there is a challenge for you. There you can do or run the tools but you cannot create the strategies. You only can create the strategies when you are aware about the platform very well. When you aware that what Google will push up and what are the things Google push down, what are the negative impact of Google and what are the positive practice of Google. So if you are aware about all these insights first, then you can prepare yourself better for that particular platform also. Next thing is life practices. When we learn something, we always need to practice. Until if we don't do this, what happens? Either we forget the things or we are not confident. I can give you my example. I started website designing in 2008. In 2008, I started website designing. But at that time, I just learned the website designing on the, like, let's say through some courses. And I am not so much of aware that I have that kind of skills because I have not practiced it much. I learned one course. After that, I learned all the website related things, but I have not started the website designing for 1 year. I started in 2009. I learned it in 2008. So since that 1 year, I have not given even one interview for the website developer. You know why? Because I have a doubt on myself. I was thinking whether I'll be able to do it or not. Equally, I learned everything. But I don't have a confidence of doing the thing practically. That if someone asks me to do this or that, will I be able to do this or that? So I was always into that particular situation when I have to think about it. That if someone says this, I might not able to do this. So let's leave it. I don't give an interview for a web designing job. Right. But later on, what I did, I start getting a freelancing client. I get some of my friends website design. Right. So in slowly, gradually, what happens? I getting the confidence, and then like I designed various websites. I ran my own agency as well. I still running my own agency of like building websites or doing all these things. Alongside, I'm working here as a head of marketing as well. Right. Because I introduced to digital marketing in 2014. So till 2014, I was successfully running all those website designing, freelancing, and like agency of mine. So you get the confidence once you practice the things yourself, right? And how many of you think once you learn the things and then you gain the confidence is enough to get a job? How many of you think like this? Anuj is saying yes. Okay. But all other things, if you learn the things and do the practices, I learn the thing, I do the practices, and now I am confident. Okay, I can do all these tasks. I can create beautiful websites. I can run lead generation campaign. I am confident. Will I get a job or no? Absolutely, Anuj. Confidence is the key to crack anything. Upskill, learning new trends of industry. Okay. How many of you think you will get a job after learning and doing the practicing? This is the simple question I asked. Can I expect a reply from all of you? Okay. Do it quickly, guys. We have to end this session on time, so be proactive. Share with me quickly what you are expecting. Getting a job after doing learning and practicing.
चल आजा
Okay.
कौन आई है कर लो
Mute. Okay. Yes. One has to showcase as well. Okay. Perfect. So yeah, you all guys are not right because getting a job in the industry is not is that easy in today's time. Learning and practicing can give you the confidence, can give you the understanding of the things. But getting a job is a game of a confidence, as Anuj said, right? But that confidence reflect from both sides. It is not a game of your confidence. It is a game of a confidence of both of the person. So if I am the employer, you need to give me or you need to pass on that confidence to me as well. Otherwise, you won't get hired. I will write on your resume that overconfident guy and nothing to show, right? So if you just become yourself confident, then yes, it is good for you, but you have to make other person also confident on yourself that I am the right person for you. And how you do this? By creating a portfolio or impressive portfolio. And that impressive portfolio will help you to get a job in the industry. And what we do, we help our student to build that portfolio, right? And then after we help you with job and freelancing opportunities, we provide all those opportunities. And at the end, we give you the lifetime access of the course where you can simply log in and can check out all the latest things happening in the industry and can keep yourself upskilled throughout the industry. So even once you get a job in digital marketing domain, it is not easy to maintain it. You have to maintain the results. You have to maintain your skill. And how you maintain your skills? By keep yourself upskilling, by learning all the latest trends happening in the industry as they came into the industry, right? So if in 2024, you are doing the marketing which you have learned in 2022 or 2000 or 2020, that won't work. You have to learn the latest trends happening in 2024 that will work for you. So being a digital marketing, it's your core job to keep yourself updated as per the trend, and that we are helping with our student by giving a lifetime access. So for an example, the person who enrolled with us in 2015, that person still can log in their account and can check all the lessons that you will attend today as a live. So let's say all the people are here in this session, you are attending this live session, or maybe you are attending your classes. So after attending your class will be uploaded to your LMS account, which is your learning management system. And that learning management system will be activated for lifelong. So you also can check the future classes which will happen in future. So not right now, at that time, right? So in 2024, you are checking all the current classes, but in 2025, you still can log in and check the classes happen on 2025. Got it? So it will give you the way to keep yourself upskilled and keep learning all the latest things happening in the industry. Right. So this is the structure we follow, where first we give you the insightful learning, then help you with the live practices, then help you to build a portfolio, and then give you the opportunities. We have a freelancing groups, plus we also have a like more than 500 plus hiring partners, which are available from different locations. We also have our internal job portal, which will be helping you to get a job. If they have any question, they clear it with you guys. If they have any question, they can clear it with you guys. Yeah, absolutely. Like what you are asking to me, Anuj, or you are telling to other people? I cannot like understood your question. If they have any question, they can clear it with you guys. All the classes will be live. So all classes are happening live. So you can clear it with us. And yes, for future, if I are talking about, now I get it, your question. So you're asking in the future reference. Let's say someone did a question in 2015. If that person getting some queries in today's time, will he be able to ask or no? Yes, he able to ask. The support is active for all of the people. It is not like that every time someone asks on our support, we ask them first which batch you are from, which year you are from, and then we help them. No, irrespective of which batch from you are, which year you have done the course, we help our student, right? And it is unlikely to possible that I can segregate people based on the year they passed our course, right? So simply, yes, you have this option that in future also you can connect with our trainers, you can connect with our mentors, and they can help you with your queries. No, Indu, we only teach and provide live online classes. The reason being the trainers we have, they are not from same location. They are from different location. So we have one of the trainer who is with more than 15 years of experience in digital marketing and social media ads, like in your Google ads and social media ads. So that person is teaching you from Bangalore. There is another trainer who will be teaching you from Mumbai. One trainer is teaching you from Hyderabad. 2 to 3 trainers are teaching you from Delhi. So there are like let's say throughout your training, you will be learning with 6 to 7 trainers. And all these 6 to 7 trainers are not from same place. right? So that's why the classes we offer, these are live online classes where you will learn the same quality by all the trainers and they have expertise in their domain. Okay, so the next thing I just want to show you here that how we will help you to achieve all these things. So here you have seen this insightful learning practices, portfolio building, job and freelancing and upskilling. So here I just show you on my website that what all will be helping you to do this and what all we help you with that can help you to achieve this, right? Out of blue asking one question, so does this industry require a good English communication? See, communication is required everywhere. Communication is required everywhere if you want to grow. There are multiple profiles in every job industry. There are profiles like executive level. So if you are working on an executive level jobs, it is not much needed, right? But if you are working with some, let's say, strategist position, if you're working with management position, middle management position, then yes, of course, communication is everything. You have to communicate between the teams, you have to communicate between the managements, right? So your communication should be good. But yes, if you are someone who is doing an executive level job, you will be working on your desk and they are saying, okay, do the SEO of this blog. And then you start doing the SEO for that blog or that article or that web page. So it is not required in that case, right? So there are some jobs are available which are not required that kind of good English communication. Some jobs are there which is required very great level of communication. So let's say if you are someone who's creating content on social media for your company, so you simply have to be effective in the communicating through English. How can I improve, sir? This is the only thing which makes me down. I believe what you are writing here, I cannot see that you are like into that not very good communicator of English. And communication is not always something what you speak. There are job profiles where you have to communicate with the people through your ad copies, through your content. So if you able to write good content, right? If you able to communicate better in writing, then you definitely can make your career into similar domain. Let's say email marketing is one of them, right? Then you have a, let's say if you are producing article writing or ad copywriting. So you can definitely can work with those things where you don't have to speak much. I believe you are hesitating in speaking English, not in writing English. Okay, so now guys, what I'm showing you here, that what we will be covering and how we will be covering, you just simply have to see here that the course we will be having, these are 4 to 11 months. In 4 to 11 months, we have 3 different programs. One program we have certified digital marketing expert. Another one we have certified marketing master certification. And the third one we have digital marketing leadership program. I have taken the objective from most of you in initial of this session. So if you see all these 3 courses, then the first course, digital marketing expert, is covering all the required things to work as a digital marketer in industry. I told you about lead generation, brand promotion, revenue generation, all these things, where you can simply require SEO, Google ads, Facebook ads, email marketing, content writing, video editing, all these skills. And simply you can work with these skills and easily can get a job in the industry as a student, as a fresher, or as a someone who is starting fresh into this industry, who is entering in this industry, right? So this course is basically for 4 months. Here you will get a 2 month of internship. So what I was telling you is when you are learning this course, you have 3 options here. One is topic covered. So first we teach you all these topics. Then you have a tools covered. Then we help you to practice all these tools. And at the end, we will be helping you to practice live on a project. So where you will be applying your skills and getting the practical done. So once your skills and practices, so the first 2 steps, these 2, insightful learning and live practices, these 2 will be done with the help of this within the session itself. So once you attending your WordPress classes, you will do all these things. Next week, you are attending SEO classes. So you will do all these things. So live learning plus practices is happening every time. right? So every week you are learning the things, you are practicing the things, learning the things, practicing the things, learning the things, practicing the things, and following this pattern till the end. After completion of your course, what we do next? We give you a 2 month of paid internship where we help you to build the projects, where we help you to build your portfolio. So this is the third step. This one, portfolio building. This happened during this internship, what you do with it. And the best part, this internship is not work from office. This internship is a remote internship. You can do it from anywhere, any location. And second thing, this internship is flexible. So you don't have to sit morning 9 to 5. You can do it after your office. You can do it after your like academics. If you're going to college, then you can do it after your college. If you're doing MBA or something, so you can just do it after your education. So whenever you are free, based on your flexible hours, you can complete this internship, right? So learning, practicing, and then creating a portfolio will be happening here. Then the fourth structure will be through our job portal, where we have our job portal where people will be posting the jobs and the various companies will be posting the jobs. You simply can apply on these jobs and get it placed, right? Apart from this, you also have this 500 plus hiring partners we have. You just name any company, you will found that they are having our hiring partner there. So we have hiring partner who hire for various companies. So you have all these hiring partners will be helping you to get a job in your local location. Right, I'm coming on that part. 7-Eleven. So now, okay, 7-Eleven. Yeah, you're talking about the brands, right? It is here. Absolutely. We also have an Amazon recently in the like 2 months back, we have received an email from Amazon to hire 300 content writer through our like I am skills organization, right? So we have those kind of tie up in the industry. We have those kind of 500 plus hiring partners because we are providing that kind of education in the industry. So now if I'm coming to the next part that yes, you will learn all this in your 4 months and then you do this practices and portfolio building in 2 months by applying all the skills practically. And once you complete this particular program, you will be awarded with the certification, which are equally recognized across the globe. You have a certification from Google, HubSpot, and like IAM skills. Then there will be certification from tool-based certification, which are provided by SCM Rush, which are provided by Yoast SEO. So all these tool-based certification are also there. So total number of certification you will be getting at the end of the program is about 13 certification you're able to grab. And all are worldwide or globally recognized. Right. So all these tools you will be working upon throughout your training. So you will be working live on these tools. These are the case study of brands that we will be helping you with, that how they people achieve the results, right? We have added our own growth strategy as well, which is for SEO. Why we have added for SEO? Because if I just show you one simple thing over, let's say this website, this is SCM Rush. This is to use how much traffic a website is getting. So let's say if I put a imskills.com here and like put it country as in India. I have my 12. How this course benefit me as a freelancer? Of course, it will help you. Reason being, what freelancers do? Freelancer promotes different businesses, right? So can you see organic search traffic? How much traffic we are getting on our website? It is for, let's say, if I just click on worldwide across the world, and if I just do it for last month, okay. Okay, so if I show you till now, let's say what particular number we are getting? 500K. 500K people already visiting our website in last 12 days. So what monthly traffic, if I'll talk about, it will be somewhere around like 1.2 million people every month visiting IIM Skills, which is higher than any competitor we have in the industry. So if you have anything in your mind, if you have any like particular company in your mind, you just search over there, and what you will find that most of the companies are getting the traffic somewhere around 20K, 30K, 15K, or some of the company even not beyond the 10K, and where we have approximately 500K traffic on our website every month. So that something makes us beyond the other companies in the industry. And that is the case study that we are going to share with you guys as well, that how with the help of SEO rankings, you can grow organically much. So why I'm saying this, because when you search for any term on the internet, let's say best digital marketing courses in Delhi, right? Or you search for best digital marketing courses in Mumbai. Let's see, this is the ranking we have here on this page, right? Let's say if I'll make it Mumbai, right? Again, you will see us here. If you see it, Bangalore, right? Here we are again, right? So on every particular keyword, you will see we have a SEO strategy. Without running ads, we are ranking over those keywords. So that kind of SEO effectiveness we have in our training program, and that is what you guys also going to learn during this program. And that is what makes us different and also makes us very strong. And that is something that you will going to also learn, that how we are growing organically during this case study. Then AI related case studies, email marketing related case studies, all that you will be learning within the program. Okay, apart from this, we have two more programs which I have shared here, that certification and digital marketing experts, how they are different from this one. So this course is basically for 4 months, 2 months of paid internship, and helpful for anyone to get a job in digital marketing landscape, which is somewhere around 4 to 6 lakhs. So if you have something in mind to start your career, you have these options available. Second is master certification, which covers all the things that you have in expert course, all the things that you have in above course. Along with this, it will also cover something which is more specific to the management roles, along with if you have something in your mind to start something your own in future. So if you have in your mind to start an e-commerce running company, if you want to earn extra income using affiliate marketing and Google AdSense, if you want to run the ads over OTT platform and native advertising. So native advertising and OTT platforms are the two different things which are really in demand today's time, but no digital marketers aware about this. There are very less number of digital marketers are aware about this. So if you want a high paying job in digital marketing, you should go with this option where you have native OTT covered, influencer marketing covered, affiliate marketing covered for extra income, then AI is covered, then you have a drop shipping, e-commerce to setting your own drop shipping business is covered. So all these things will be covered in this, and that makes this course more comprehensive. And this particular course is for 7 months, which covers and additionally 2 months of internship. So it's 7 plus 2. The first one is 4 plus 2, it is 7 plus 2. And now the leadership program, which covers all the things the above two courses has. It is a 11 months of course, and this also requires, like what all people do this course, who are on leadership position, CXOs of the companies, who are the deciding factor of the direction of the company, right? So let's say if I am deciding where my company needs to go or what opportunity I should grab to move my company ahead. So if I'm someone on these particular stage, then I should learn this. Why? Because it's covered these three very specific things which nobody else teach in the industry, where you learn about data-driven decision using Power BI, right? So Power BI is one of the tools for data analytics. And that data analytics tools will help you to understand what your complete campaigns, what your complete business is running upon, what are the complete stats of your business are. And if you are someone who is presenting those reports to investors, if you are presenting those reports to your head of, like you can say, owner of the company or CXOs of your companies, and you are someone who is CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, and presenting these reports, So how to make these reports will be the part of this particular session. And then you have a digital marketing agency creation, how to run a top-notch agency in digital marketing world. Then you have a management and strategy model. It is someone, let's say, creating the financial statements of your business. How many of you seen the Shark Tank India? How many of you have seen this? Anuj, okay. How many of you seen Shark Tank? In Shark Tank, any business comes, they present about holistic view of their business, right? They present about how much cost effectiveness they have, right? How much EBITDA they have, how much net revenue they have. So how they know all about this and how they create a model which grow financially. So all those related things you will learn here. Cost benefit analysis, marketing performance analysis, marketing budget preparation, financial statement preparation, dashboard preparation. So all these things will be learned here and you will learn the simple tools here, which is Excel and ChatGPT, right? So this is something which is really important things for any business when you are running on the top level and on the leadership position, it is required. So anyone wondering what course they should do? They are simply mentioned ideal 4. You can simply choose your decision, what you want to do. So if you are someone who want to grow rapidly, then you can simply go with this option. If you want someone who just want to get a quick job in the industry, then you can go with this option. If you are someone who want to grow at a leadership roles, then you have to go with this program, right? So the piece of the programs is different. One program is going to have about, like, let's say 34,900 fees, which is for 6 months. Another one will be for 74,900 plus GST for 88,000. And third one is for 1,49,000 plus GST, which is approximately 1,75,000 rupees. So all these 3 programs based on the different objective, because one shoe cannot fit everyone. So if you people are someone who is looking for a different objectives, so you have to choose your program based on your objective. We have 2 different batches for running this program. One is Saturdays, where your classes will be on every Saturday morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the weekdays, where your classes will be on every Tuesday and Thursday 8 to 9:30 p.m. evening, right? Yeah, Anuj. So even CFOs can do this, right? The people who teach you, they are already the one who are CFOs and all, right? So they teach you that how to manage those financial statements and all. So right now we have these 2 batches, as you can see in front of you, Saturdays, every Saturday 10 to 1, and every like Tuesday, Thursday for weekdays batch. I just wanted to know from all of you guys first, which program suits you? What do you think? Like expert suits you, master suits you, or leadership suits you? Or if you have a confusion, just let me know here in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and ask your question. I can help you with it. Okay. So the people who think expert, simply write expert. The people who think master, write master. And the people who think leadership, just write simply leader. Okay, so I have Anuj is saying master, Saurabh is saying for master, Indu is for expert, Shamanta is for master, Saurabh is for master, Preetham is for expert, Preeti is for master, Barkha is for expert, expert, Vijay for expert, Archana for master, and Shilpa is for expert. Got it. And which batch suits you guys? Which batch you want to start with? You want to start with Saturday batch or weekday batch? If you want to start with Saturday, simply write Saturdays. If you want to join with weekdays, simply write weekdays. Can I have a quick confirmation? Confused, weekdays, weekdays, weekdays. You can share your confusions. I can just try to help. Weekdays, Saturdays. Okay, weekdays, Barkha. Weekdays. Perfect. Saturdays, weekdays, I believe. Okay, perfect. Got it, guys. So all the people here replied. I just give you one particular surprise. As I said, I have a surprise for all of you. Timing issue because we have different time zone. I understand completely. You are from Australia, so you have like 5:30, like 5 hours 30 minutes ahead, or sometime 4 hours 30 minutes ahead because of daylight. So yes, we have the student from Australia who do our course, but most suitable option for them is, I guess, Saturdays. So over Saturdays, you have your off, and then you also have like afternoon timings to attend the classes, like 3:30 somewhere around. right? Aditi is for master and weekdays. Perfect. So guys, for all the people who are here to enroll with our program, I am giving you one very great opportunity to enroll with us, where that can help you to go ahead and make your decision quickly and can help you to enroll in this program with some savings in your hand. And what I am doing here, this is only for the people are in this session. So I am sharing with you one coupon code. That coupon code will be valid for today only. And the coupon code is, I'm sharing in the chat box. You just have to apply this coupon code while making the fee payment over our website, and you'll get a 15% off on the total course fee, right? So you won't have to pay the complete fee, which you have seen on our website. You just have to pay 15% discounted fee with the help of this coupon code. And that coupon code is only valid for the people out there in this session. Second thing, you will be getting 2 months of paid internship, which is guaranteed. Along with that, you also have an opportunity to earn up to 20,000 rupees through stipend only, where you don't have to come regularly with us. You just do our different internship. And during the different internship, you will get a stipends, and that stipend will land you up to 20,000 rupees of cashback in your account, right? So for an example, you completed my course of 88,000 rupees for this master course, including taxes. So 20,000 rupees you have an option to avail in return by doing all the internship with us. For expert course also, the code, yes, code is for everyone. You people can use the code, whether the expert or you're looking for a master or you're looking for a leadership program. You all can go ahead and enroll yourself with this 15% discount using this coupon code. So I would just suggest you to just copy this code, keep it to you, and it is only for the first 5 registrations. So I can see that there are multiple people replied for the weekdays, weekend, or master or expert program, but only 5 people able to use this coupon code who initially used it, right? So I request everyone who have decided their batches, who have decided their course, they simply go ahead and make their enrollment. If any one of you have any confusion, you still can ask me. I am open to take all the questions right now. And meanwhile, I have already taken all the questions during this session. But still, if you have any question, you still can ask me. Quickly, guys. Sure, Indu, one of my counselor will help you in this to understand or connect with you related to your requirements. Anyone, any other queries, any questions you have? Quickly.
Can we speak like,
Yeah,
is it
you can.
possible we can speak? Yeah. Okay, the thing is like what I'm looking for it. If we go ahead with this course, like how we can grow our business, like what I'm thinking about it, like I want to start my import export business from India to Australia.
Okay.
And I'm not sure like how it's gonna help me because maybe I don't have this much of knowledge about social media and marketing.
Got it.
Seriously, I have no idea like how it work out. If you
Let
can
me to be
explain a
very
little bit
honest
about
with you.
this.
Let me to be very honest with you, how it works basically. So when you run any business, there are audience for that, right? So let's say if I am running a business from import export between India and Australia, then what I supposed to do, I may have a people in Australia who is looking to import certain things from Australia. What they do, they search over Google, they search over the different term, how to get this particular brand in Australia, how to get this particular products in Australia, right? So then you will be targeting all those required keywords for those people and then simply can make yourself visible on the required things, right? So similar way, you need the people who want to import certain things in India. So they must be searching for like certain products which were so popular in Australia and they want to get it here and then want to sell it here. So when they are searching on internet, then they must found you. You have to make sure. And digital marketing is the way to increase your visibility to those people, to increase your brand awareness to those people, right?
Yeah, got your point. And just one thing more, like if we go with the master course, and in future if you want to like upgrade our course, then what we have to do? Like we have to buy a new course again, or we just suddenly pay the difference and we can upgrade our course.
Repeat once.
Like if we go with the master course and in future we want to upgrade it to the what we say leadership one. So we
Yeah,
have to pay the full fee or we have to just pay
balance
the
that. You have
difference?
to pay the balance.
Okay, sure.
Right.
Thank you.
Any other queries, guys?
Sorry, I want to ask you one more thing. So sorry
Yeah,
for that.
no
Yeah,
worries. That's
for this, all the course and websites and everything, do we need a proper Windows laptop only or any operating system can work on it?
any laptop will work. Avoid Android.
Yeah, sure. So like Mac and everything will be fine, right?
Correct. If you have a Mac, if you have a and like Windows, they work
Hmm.
perfectly. Even the Linux work perfectly, right? So only the
Okay.
things are not happening with Android because it is not have that much of acceptability in terms of laptop.
Okay, perfect. And do we have to buy some kind of a softwares in future or everything
Nothing.
will be there?
Nothing. You just need to buy during the complete your course. You have to buy two things: is your domain and hosting. If you want to run your website live, you need a domain
Hmm.
and we also have a alternatives where you can run the free domain and free hosting as well. We also
Okay.
can provide you that, but that doesn't solve the purpose of running a complete business, right? So if you want to run a business with your name,
Hmm.
www.anuj sharma, www.nikita, so you have to
Yeah.
purchase that domain, right?
Okay. And like in this time, I have a domain and everything, somebody is handling for me. So we can change the ownership and everything, right?
Absolutely. It will be with you only. You will buy
Okay,
that,
okay, perfect. Thank you.
right? Okay, so guys, I just want to ask one question. That question just pop up in my mind right away. All the people who stayed in this session, initially I was facing some voice issue. How many of you think I'll be able to give you the value of your time? Just wanted to know. All the people who trusted me and stayed in the session, even after those two or three interruption in starting, you feel that you have got the desired value in the session? No, it's up to you, Nikita. You can buy your own domain and hosting. It is not necessarily that you have to buy or you take our suggested domain. So yes, we can help you to decide. We can help you to decide what to buy. Okay, thanks, Vijay, Saurabh, Anuj, perfect. Preeti, Nikita. Okay, great. Saurabh, Anuj, perfect. Renu, thanks. Okay, lovely guys. So I can say right now that all the people who left the session, they have missed this opportunity to have a great session with me, right? So okay. So simply guys, good luck to all of you. I'm looking forward to see you in my training program and just encourage you, all the people who have shown your interest for the different courses, make yourself enroll with the given discount coupon of 15%, which will help you to get the discount on all the courses that you have like looking forward, whether expert, master or leadership, right? But this, keep in mind, this coupon code is valid for first 5 people and will end today itself. So if you apply it tomorrow, this won't work, right? Then don't come back to me and don't come back to my counselor that I need the code, because that code is not gonna work after this, right? And it is only for the people who are in this session right now. So get the importance, and we are appreciating your time with this 15% of discount, right? So value this. Okay, guys, thanks for your time. Thanks for your engagement. You guys been great audience and engaged so much throughout this session. Now you can simply go ahead, make your enrollment and be in the session. Good luck to you guys. Have a great day ahead. Bye.